Department of Natural Resources wants area fishermen to kill 2 invasive species.
Water in the bay, blue catfish
Quite
are
a
multiplying.
fishtail. They're diving into one of the most pressing problems
It's the most
facing the
common
Chesapeake
fish-eating fish in this is simple.
Bay.
Well, move over, Frankenfish. There's a new public enemy #1
Commercial and local fishermen catching and harvesting blue catfish.
eating its way up and down Maryland's waterways. These are predators, aren't they?
We're hoping that
Who
this
imported
would
some from the
represent
Mississippi River.
These are predators and they get very large, push 100 pounds, so they can...
They're native into the James River in Virginia in the 80s.
Invasive catfish now
2.3 million crabs in a single 75 square mile study area near Fort Eustis.
To eat. It's eaten its way to the top of the bay food chain.
Blue catfish don't belong in the Chesapeake Bay and its rivers. It's an
many invasive species do not have natural predators in there. You have
crabs. They're right in there, and their jaws are strong enough to crush it.
It's decimating our rockfish crab population.
Problem lurking below the water, so big and growing so fast that destroying the bay's balance.
It's kind of been labeled as public enemy #1 when it comes to the blue.
Listen to the panic in the broadcasts. They call it an ecological crisis, a tragedy of the Maryland waterways. The state, in all its infinite wisdom, has issued a mandate, a kill order. The invaders are gluttons of the mud, stripping the native rockfish and the crab right out of the bay. They put a bounty on their heads, hoping a few men with rods might make a dent. But a fisherman just sits and prays for a bite. These waters don't need a fisherman. They need Twizzle. Out here, he is known as Mvunaji. In the old tongue, in Swahili, it translates to the harvester. And a harvester does not wait for nature. He clears the field. The middle branch is far from the open bay, but the invasion has reached his doorstep, and protecting home base is an absolute must. They say there is an apex predator down there in the dark. Mvunaji is about to introduce himself and demonstrate who's truly at the top of the food chain. Apex predator, huh? We'll see about that.
Reel Bmore Fishn. Like, subscribe, share.